In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for words in Google Docs. Being able to swiftly search for specific words or phrases in your documents can significantly enhance your productivity, whether you're working on collaborative projects, large reports, or just making quick edits. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to have your Google Doc open. If you're not already familiar, you can open a Google Doc by navigating to your Google Drive and selecting the document you wish to search. Once your document is open, we're ready to begin. Now take a look at the top of your screen. You'll see a menu toolbar, and what you need to do is click on Edit. This menu holds numerous options for editing the text and structure of your document, and it's the key to accessing our next step. Once the Edit menu is open, look for the option that says Find and Replace. Clicking on this will bring up a new box on your screen called, unsurprisingly, the Find and Replace box. This box is your main tool for searching through your document. In the box, you'll notice a field labeled Find. This is where you need to type the word or phrase you're looking for. By doing this, you're telling Google Docs exactly what to search for within the text of your document. After entering your search term, you can easily navigate through all instances it appears in the document. To do this, use the Next and Previous buttons found in the Find box. These buttons allow you to cycle through each occurrence of the word you entered, highlighting them one by one as you click. But what if you want to do more than just find a word or phrase? Maybe you need to update certain terms throughout your document. This is where the Find and Replace feature truly shines. To replace the text, simply enter the new word or phrase in the Replace With field, right beneath where you typed your original search term. Once you've specified what you'd like to replace it with, you have two options. You can choose to replace individual instances by clicking the Replace button, which will replace the word and then highlight the next occurrence. Alternatively, if you're confident and want to save time, click Replace All. This will automatically update every instance of the word or phrase throughout the entire document, and there you have it, a quick and easy guide to finding and even replacing words in Google Docs. Using these steps can save you a lot of time and streamline your editing process significantly. Experiment with the feature and see just how much it can improve your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your work in Google Docs a little more efficient and a lot more enjoyable.